guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best tech gift ideas. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the tech gifts in this video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best tech gift ideas on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the DODOW sleep aid device. There are so many cool gadgets coming out in the sleep space, and the DODOW device is no different. It's a metronome type system that uses time light to teach the user how to fall asleep. The brand's website claims that more than 500,000 people are already using and loving the product. Number 9. Holystone HS161 Foldable Drone. The reasonably priced Holystone HS161 drone is a perfect gift for aerial photography beginners. It can capture full HD video from a range of up to 100 meters. Users can control the foldable gadget via a bundled remote control, using their smartphone as a viewfinder. According to its maker, the HS161 drone can deliver up to 10 minutes of flight time. We like that its 10,000 mAh battery can double as a power bank for phones and other gadgets. The device's built-in LED light also doubles as a handy flashlight. Coming at number 8, Rubik's Connect Cube. A smarter take on the legendary toy, the Rubik's Connected Cube is a cool and memorable gift option. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app, the interactive gadget can literally teach players how to solve the challenging 3D puzzle. The toy's mobile app, in addition to being handy for solving the puzzle, allows users to improve further by delivering helpful stats. Avid players can also compete with the Rubik's Connected Cube owners. Coming at number 7, Samsung Galaxy S21 5G Android smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G Android smartphone is a favorite of ours and a great gift for anyone who needs an upgrade. It packs a powerful chipset, a captivating display, and a feature-packed camera setup, among many other features. There are multiple colors to choose from. In case you are looking for a Samsung smartphone with a bigger screen, consider the Galaxy S21 Plus instead. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, on the other hand, is Samsung's best Android phone yet. Number 6. Fossil Latitude HR Hybrid Smartwatch. Fossil's Latitude HR Hybrid Smartwatch is a great tech gift. At a quick glance, it looks like a classic chronograph with mechanical hands and a 3-button layout. It actually features a super high-tech always-on display and a heart rate sensor. The timepiece can deliver notifications from a smartphone, among many other features. Its buttons are customizable via a mobile app. Its stainless steel case is also waterproof up to 30 meters. Coming at number 5, WYZE Cam V3 Wi-Fi Security Camera. This budget-friendly Wi-Fi security camera is a tech gift that everyone will cherish. The WYZE Cam V3 can detect motion and sounds and send alerts to users' smartphone. It can record and stream crisp, full HD video, including in almost complete darkness. With an IP65 rating for water resistance, the WYZE Cam V3 is also suitable for outdoor use. The product comes with 14 days worth of free cloud storage for short clips. Coming at number 4, Bose Smart Soundbar 300. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 is an amazing gift for someone in need of a home entertainment upgrade. It's compact, elegant, and packed with convenient features. They include compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, as well as support for Apple AirPlay 2 wireless playback. Bose also gives users the opportunity to add more audio components to the Smart Soundbar 300 and turn it into a full-fledged surround sound system. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker. This smart coffee maker by Hamilton Beach is an excellent gift for coffee sipping Amazon Alexa users. The reasonably priced Wi-Fi connected device will allow them to power it on and off, and even adjust the strength of their coffee with Alexa voice commands. The gadget is compatible with Alexa-powered smart speakers and the Alexa mobile app. The coffee maker has a conveniently placed brew basket and water reservoir, as well as the ability to send cleaning reminders. Its bundled glass carafe has a 12-cup capacity. Coming at number 2, Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphones. Sony's WH-1000XM4 wireless noise-canceling headphones are our favorite and a great gift for anyone who needs an audio upgrade. They have an elegant design, superb ergonomics, amazing audio quality, and top-tier noise cancellation. The cans perform superbly during calls too. The headphones can last up to a robust 30 hours between charges. They utilize USB-C for fast charging. You can get up to 5 hours of playback after only 10 minutes. There are 2 colors to pick from, black and silver. Number 1. EMBER Temperature Control Smart Mug. This high-tech mug from EMBER is the perfect gift for coffee and tea drinkers. It keeps any beverage warm, and you can control all the settings directly through your smartphone via a mobile app. Thanks to its built-in battery, the gadget will maintain the drink's temperature for up to 1.5 hours. Available in black or white, the Smart Mug 2 is a hand-wash-only device with a maximum liquid capacity of 10 ounces. A larger 14-ounce mug is also available. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best tech gifts. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.